In this session, we are going to cover the 6 W's to be used to get your viewers' attention. Design elements can consist of anything including typography, graphics, colors, contrast, weight, position, size, and space, including negative space. The hierarchy of information design principle allows the designer to point out to the viewer what he wants the viewer to see first. Today's society, most people are in a hurry, even on the web. With the hierarchy principle, a visualizer can shout out what he thinks is most important on the page before the viewer gets bored and move on. If the hierarchy is done well, then the content should naturally become an easy read. It creates a path for the viewer's eye to follow through the visual. The viewer should be able to scan through the document and still get the picture. When it comes to designing layout, this principle is functional and very effective. The 6 W's, often used in journalism and research, is equally applicable in data visualization for presenting a complete story. According to the principle of the 6 W's, a report can only be considered complete if it answers these questions. The 6 W's are where, when, how, what, who, and the why. In data visualization, we need not use all 6, but thinking about all 6 and figuring out which are the most important ones and eliminating the ones that you don't need is a great way to get at the hierarchy and the information that you are trying to present. One of the W's could be the answer we are seeking, and another of the W's could be where the data is available, which will lead to your insight.